Hey everyone, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. Urban Decay sent me this cool PR package with their Born to Run collection inside. So I wanted to give you guys my thoughts and my feelings, but let's go over the specs. This is their Born to Run palette. I love the packaging of this. It looks really pretty. This palette is supposed to be a travel palette. You can create so many different looks. It's perfect for on the run, hence the name. It also comes with 3 lipsticks, and 3 eyeliner pencils, and also a travel size of their all-nighter setting spray. So let's get started. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and blend this warm caramel brown into my crease. This is going to be the backdrop, the background color for all the shades I'm going to apply on top. This eyeshadow is very pigmented and blends like a dream. I really do love this color as a base shade for me. Next, I'm gonna go in with this bright orange and blend that in my crease as well. This is going to give the look some depth, some dimension. It's always great to apply a ton of different eyeshadows because that's just gonna give the look some dimension, gonna give it some layers. Now I'm gonna start to add my lid shade, and I'm using this mossy green eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush to pack it on my lids. So you do get some great payoff using an eye brush, but I do like to use my fingers to apply lid shades because I find that they apply the best with my fingers and I can easily pack it on. So I did just that. Now I'm gonna take this darker brown and apply it into the outer V and have it blend into my crease. So this was the one shade that gave me some difficulty with this eye look because it was coming off black and not as brown. So I tried to use a different eyeshadow brush to pack the shade on, and I found that I can use a flatter brush to pack it on, and it was a lot more pigmented. I'm just gonna go back and forth between the crease shade and try to blend that dark eyeshadow out as much as possible. And with blending, you're gonna have to go back with any eyeshadow shades you use to pack on the pigmentation. So I wanted to add another pop on the lids, so I went with this aquamarine shade. So gorgeous. I love the jewel tone shades in this palette. I love those sultry looks because they always make those smoky eyes stand out. After that, I'm going back and forth, applying more color, blending it out, applying more color, blending it out, you know, doing all that. Then I'm going to take this champagne eyeshadow, apply it into my inner corners. This is going to definitely brighten up the look. Now I'm taking Overdrive, that pencil, and apply that into my waterline. It's so pretty. It's definitely very pigmented, and it has a beautiful forest green undertone. It's super gorgeous. I actually really like this. And Urban Decay's eye pencils always work amazingly. They always last in my waterline. If you have watery eyes, then this will work perfect for you. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to apply those previous shades and make sure to blend them very well. This palette does come with the black, which is a plus, and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line too, just to add more depth and to complete the smoky eye look. I did apply falsies off camera. I'll leave them down below if you want to know what I used. I'm going to add mascara. And then I'm going to add that same champagne shade I used on my inner corner as a highlight. Let me know if you guys want more looks using this palette. I'm thinking I should do 2 or 3 more looks, something more subtle, maybe a simple eye, maybe a cut crease. Let me know in the comments what you think. Then I'm going to take 66, the lipstick shade in the collection, and apply that on my lips. And the look's complete. I really liked how the look came out. I did off camera change the lip a little bit. I added a deeper lip liner, some gloss, and a deeper lipstick in the middle. And I have to say, I really do like this palette. Like I said, that brown eyeshadow was kind of a flop for me, but I guess you have to work with it. Definitely pack that shade on to get the full pigmentation of that eyeshadow. Let me know what you thought of this makeup look. Leave any requests down below for makeup looks you want to see in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.